Yeah, so that's a really good question about Gen AI. There's a few different elements to this. The first element to consider is that bad actors are using AI already. So legacy approaches such as lexicon, big armies of alert reviewers, or pretend AI is not really going to cut it going forwards. The second element is about education. So our customers need to make sure that they're being educated on artificial intelligence. We are really lucky at Behavox. We have an AI 101 event that's run at least annually where we bring together our prospects and our customers to learn about artificial intelligence and what that means for the market. And then finally, I think the really big consideration is around the implementation of Gen AI poorly. So Gen AI implemented incorrectly can have huge negative ramifications. So for anyone watching this, I think something to consider is that your vendors must make sure that the AI is explainable, it's testable, and there's some sort of ongoing change management element to the artificial intelligence, so you know that it's improving. So some of the trends in 2024 are very similar, actually, I think, to the trends we were seeing last year. So whether it's getting a handle on different communication channels like WhatsApp or WeChat or Microsoft Teams, but not only the retention of that data, but also the surveillance of that data. So making sure that individuals aren't trying to take business communications offline. Something else that we're seeing as well is particularly around voice. And again, not just voice retention, but voice monitoring. And not just voice monitoring in English, but also voice monitoring in different languages that are being spoken across the globe for our customers. So all of that's to say that we're actually focused on some of the trends this year, as well as last year, but it's a growing area. So I think that AI is definitely additive to human input. So I don't think it's going to necessarily replace humans anytime soon. And there's two sides to this coin. The first side is that those that are involved in the development of artificial intelligence are still hugely relied upon to improve those models. So for us, it's our subject matter experts that are developing those models on an ongoing basis still need to be heavily involved in supervising those models. The other side of the coin is the users for artificial intelligence. So whilst they're not going to be necessarily replaced, maybe they're augmented in some way, but I think the main point here is that their lives are going to be improved because Gen AI tools are going to allow them to focus on more of the high quality true positives and less on the false positive alerts. Yeah, so events like these are really beneficial. So we get to hear from our customers, we get to hear from our prospects, we get to hear from regulators as well. And having everyone in the same room, hearing what's top of mind, really validates some of our own experiences out in the market.